Imagine turning a decade of your personal data into a motivational podcast, or listening to an AI explain your job fit perfectly. Google Notebook just made that possible, and now it's getting even better. Google Notebook launched Lecture Mode, a game-changing update. Instead of fragmented audio summaries, Lecture Mode delivers a continuous 30-minute audio explanation of any topic in a calm, almost serene voice. You can pick from short, default, or long, with the long option running a full half hour. And here's the twist. The AI can speak in a British accent, giving your lectures a polished, authoritative feel. This isn't just fancy, it's designed for passive learning, letting you absorb research, notes, or long documents without reading a word. Imagine listening on your commute and actually retaining information. Users are already finding creative ways to use Notebook. One person turned a decade of health records into an engaging podcast about their weight loss journey. Another used it to perfectly match their resume to a job, landing an offer they might have missed. And one incredible story even shows how someone won a court case by aggregating thousands of emails and messages into actionable insights for their lawyer. Lecture Mode is the next step, taking Notebook further into practical, hands-free knowledge absorption. Whether you're learning, working, or just exploring data, this AI tool is pushing boundaries for 2026. If you love seeing AI applied in real, tangible ways, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment about how you'd use Lecture Mode. Don't forget to check the related video in the corner to see more AI breakthroughs this year. Harness AI like this, and you'll never consume information the same way again. Dive in, experiment, and stay ahead of the curve.